In the era of Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and all other digital marketing platforms, design is a very important thing and it plays a crucial role. If you want to grow your work, then you have to showcase your work a little differently, or there have to be some uniqueness. And to help you out in that case, there's an app in the Play Store which is super cool. So let's jump to the app directly. So the app name is Canva, and just download this app and you are good to go. For the very first time, you have to sign up. So this app is basically an app with a full of different posters for digital marketing. Two different tabs is there. First one is for creating your own design, including different posters like posters for Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. and with their respective aspect ratio as well. Each and every section has plenty of posters and they're really good. And next is your design, including all of your edited posters. Let me show you how it works. Choose any of the posters from the list. Now there's 4 different tabs. Gallery is for all your images. Choose your own image as a background. Then image tab is for some awesome images taken all over the world. And then is the color tab if you wanna use a single color as a background. And lastly, filter to edit your photos with some pre-installed presets. And if you wanna edit more, then go to advanced, and few tweaks are also available there for you. Now here comes the most exciting part about this app, that is fonts. If you want to change the font, it will simply blow your mind with its collection of different fonts. Plenty of apps are there in Play Store, but none of them will offer you this variety of fonts. Not only that, change the size of the font, add more text, change the color, increase and decrease the space between the text. Plenty of options are there, and you can change literally everything in this particular app. If you wanna add something more, tap the plus button and there's a few more options are waiting for you. Add extra text, add images and graphics like border, etc. Also, some pre-installed templates is there. And if everything is done, just click the share button and the photo is waiting for you in the gallery. But why this app is better than any other app in the Play Store? So the reason is its collection of fonts. If you want to build your own custom YouTube thumbnails or Facebook or photos or Instagram posts or like in Instagram stories, it has all the different aspect ratio in its collection. Just choose one and within few seconds of editing you are good to go. So don't waste your time, just download this thing and start boosting your social media game right now. And after using this thing, I'm sure you're gonna like this app a lot and you will definitely come back to my channel again for thanking me. So do me a favor, just like this video and if possible subscribe to my channel and stay here for more future updates related to some tech videos and for some awesome travel videos which I make really often. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed and enjoy some of my other work. Bye bye, see you in the next video.